This is Marvin Gilig. Did you know that the annual festivity of Misamis Oriental is called Cuyamis Festival? How and when did it start? Historical jottings and sources reveal that Cuyamis is the original name of Misamis before the Spanish colonizers came. It is a variety of sweet coconut which was a staple food of the earliest known Negrito settlers of Misamis. Cuyamis Festival is a brainchild of Governor Eugeni Vicente Bambi Imano when he assumed office in 2013, about 8 years ago. The festivity that highlights and showcases the products and byproducts made out of coconut tree happens every second week of January in line with the celebration of the province's founding anniversary. Had it not been of COVID-19, Cuyamis Festival is one of the most anticipated activity of Misamis Oriental and the entire country. I'm Marvin Gilig, and that's 60 Seconds. See you next week.